Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Sahil and today we are completing the AWS Solution Architecture job simulation. If you are a tech enthusiast or someone looking to break into cloud computing, this video is your golden opportunity. From this simulation, we learn skills like technical communication, system architecture and cloud cost management. Before we jump into the simulation, let me quickly tell you why AWS matters. AWS powers Netflix streaming, Airbnb's booking system, NASA's data analysis, and even LinkedIn infrastructure.
The developer communities in Southeast Asia are very diverse, and we get to work with different companies and help them solve different business challenges. It is also very satisfying and exciting to see our customer launch new products and services that you help build. Hi, I'm Eng Hua. I'm a specialist solution architect at Amazon Web Services. I take care of our customers across Southeast Asia. I joined AWS around 5 years ago. I was attracted to AWS because of its fast pace of innovation and also their strong sense of customer obsession. Our customers typically ask us when is it a good time to start adopting microservices and how do they get started. They are also curious which of the AWS services is best suited for their use case. As a solution architect, we help our customer cost optimize by first identifying waste in their cloud infrastructure. Next, we'll do an architecture review to see if there's opportunity to take advantage of cost-saving techniques like adopting spot instances, which can help them save up to 90% of their bill. There are many services that our customers are excited about. The one that I particularly like is AWS Fargate, a serverless compute for containers. AWS Fargate make it easy for developers to build and run their application at scale without managing any servers and cluster. The solution architecture team here in Southeast Asia has a unique set of cultures and skill set, so we can learn from each other, and every day here is day one. There's always something new to learn. If you like to work alongside builders, are passionate about cloud technology, and like to help our customers solve business challenges, come build with us.
Task 1 is designing a simple, scalable hosting architecture. Here we learn what type of services are provided by AWS and how to create an architecture diagram. Here we will email the client explaining how our proposed hosting architecture works and how cost will be calculated.
Hi, I'm Arun Francis, an early careers manager in the AWS Commercial Operations business. Welcome to the team. Communication is a very important part of being a solution architect. We need to be able to understand the client's needs, explain the technical parts of the design to them, and make sure they know what billing charges they might expect. In the specific task, you'll be introduced to a client who has emailed you regarding some architectural changes that they need to make the website more stable. You need to write an email to the client that explains the architecture diagram and the rationale behind it. While you don't have to give an exact pricing for resources to the customer, you should explain which services have fixed costs and which will depend on how busy the website is. Information about the AWS services used and an architecture diagram are provided in the background information to this task. Let's get started.
Alright, so Forage provided this helpful cheat sheet of AWS services. Think of it as your toolbox. It explains what each tool does and how it's priced, from Elastic Beanstalk that handles autoscaling to S3 for storage. You don't need to memorize this, just skim through it and keep this page open in another tab, because you will definitely reference it while drafting your email to Lily. Alright, now comes the exciting part. You receive an email from Lily Sawyer, the CTO of a company called Festia. Her company just went viral, which sounds amazing, right? But there is a problem. Their website is crashing during a peak traffic. They have slow response time and everything runs on just one tiny EC2 instance. That's completely overwhelmed. Your job as an AWS solution architect is to rescue your business with a scalable cloud architecture. Alright, now comes to the main task. You need to draft a professional email response to Lily that includes three key things: an architecture diagram, explanation of each AWS service you are recommending, and how the cost work. Don't worry, I got you covered with the complete answer in the description. And there we go, final task complete. Look at that, awesome work completing all of the tasks, Sahil. And guess what? The same message will show your name and when you complete it. Now here is a bonus that makes Forage even more valuable. They give you an interview tip. This is gold because it shows you exactly how to talk about this simulation in real job interviews. Congratulations, you have just added one of the most in-demand tech skills to your resume. AWS powers half the internet, and you now have proof that you understand cloud architecture. That's huge for your career. Alright, if this video helped you complete this AWS solution architecture simulation, smash that like button. It really helps to channel grow. Subscribe and hit the bell icon and drop a comment below. Tell me which job simulation should I cover next. Don't forget the complete email answer template is in the description.